Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is the 4th of June and I just wanted to give you a really fast update on my little garden. I've got a lot of nice basil growing here that I started off from seeds, and then I've got that pak choy or bok choy that I originally had these started in hydroponic containers, but then I switched over to the garden here. So these are coming along really nicely. But this is the star of the show, these cucumbers. So these are hybrid cucumbers, so every single flower is going to produce a cucumber. All of these were planted one day apart. So I had one, I believe it was April the 13th, and then the next one was the 14th. But you can see, just look at the amount of cucumbers on here. And these now, I'm going to take them off. I'm going to remove all of these bigger ones today, because I don't want this plant, all the plants to start thinking that they've done their job and they're going to just start dying off. But these are amazing. Look at the size. I could probably let them go another couple of days, but they are a really good size right now. If you want to make pickles, they're going to be super crisp inside, very small seeds. But look at this, pretty amazing. I am very, very impressed. Look at that, amazing. That's basil, April the 15th. Another thing I just wanted to show is some acorn squash. So I got those from Costco, and just for fun, I harvested the seeds and I put them into paper towel and got them going right away. April 29th, I started these off. But look at that. I just tried them just as a little bit of an experiment. I've got a little bit of weeding to do. But anyway, let's head off to the next garden over here. So in one of my videos, you saw me doing the marigolds, and I went through that. So these here are called Cracker Jacks marigolds, or another name for them is African marigold. And this is the reason why they grow so tall. And it's not really my favorite type of plant. The ones that I do like are these ones here, marigolds, and these here stay very, very short. And these ones are called French marigolds, and these are the ones that Costco and all of the local nurseries will sell. So these are the ones that you see in the nursery. These ones here you see in the seed stores. So yeah, for some reason I just cannot find the seeds like this. So anyway, there we go. I'm going to try to take some of the seeds and get these going next year from the seeds from these plants. I've heard that putting these in help with insects and little bugs and things, so we'll see what happens. Over here, more basil that I started off. These are giant tomato plants that I started off quite a while ago. And these ones here, giant tomato, March the 4th, those were more of a test. I had started those off in the 2-cup method on the solo cups. And then I started some other ones, smaller ones here, giant tomatoes, March the 4th. Are those the same ones? Same ones as those. Oh no, sorry, that's this one here. This one here. There we go, April. These are a different batch, April the 14th. So we're going from March the 4th to April the 14th. So you can see the difference between this plant, which looks pretty raggedy, and then this one here that looks very, very nice and healthy. These here were just inside way too long. You can see the same thing with this one here. It's just not doing very well. Same thing with this one in here. I think I have 5 of these plants like that. The smaller ones that I started just over a month later, very nice, coming along really well. So anyway, just a really fast overview of the gardens. I'll end off with the hybrid cucumbers again, and they do look amazing. Look at that. Oh yeah, really, really nice. So there we go. So just a really fast update. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.